Are you looking for a central space to keep track of a to-do list? Tasks is a feature designed to help you keep track of things you need to do in Gmail. You can create lists of items, set due dates and notes, and even add Gmail messages directly to tasks. Your task list can also be accessed from your Google Calendar. Click on Mail, and then select Tasks. You will see a box appear in the bottom right corner. Now I already have some items in my task list, but I can add more by clicking on the plus sign in the bottom corner and then typing in a new task. You can hit return and then continue adding new tasks. When I've completed a task, I can simply check the checkbox so that I know that that task has been completed. I can also delete the task from a list by clicking on it so that it has a yellow highlight, and then clicking on the trash can in the bottom right corner. I can have multiple task lists if I would like by clicking on the Switch List button in the bottom right corner. You can see I have 3 different task lists here, but I can also add a new list by clicking on the New List button and then giving my list a name. To switch back and forth between lists, simply click on the Switch List icon and then select the new list. I also have additional options in the Actions menu, such as indenting tasks to make it clear to see what tasks might be nested under other tasks, or I can also do things like email the task list, print it, view a completed task list, sort by due date, or I can clear completed task lists altogether. Also be accessed from my calendar. Click on Calendar, and then under My Calendars, by default, there will be a section that says Tasks. Click on Tasks, and you will see that tasks will appear on the left-hand side. I can click on the arrow to expand my task list, and then I have many of the same options that I have in Gmail. I can also add specific tasks to a calendar by clicking on the arrow when I scroll over that particular task, and edit details will appear. I can give it a specific due date and then enter in any notes that I would like to as well. You will see that the task now appears on the calendar. Another way that I can add a task is by turning an email into a task. I'm going to head back to Mail, and then I'm going to select an email that I want to make a task. Let's say that this is something that I want to be able to do later. If I check the box next to that email and then click on More, select Add to Tasks. That email has now been added to my task list, and there's also a link to that related mail. So that's how you use the task list. If you have any questions, please contact the Instructional Technology Department or stop by the IDEA.